Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 CLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a color white. Underneath there's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 17-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior. Come around back, we've got a rear spoiler. Our CLA 250 4MATIC badging. Open up the tailgate, we've got a set of all-season floor mats. Pull down rear seats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist. Memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. Our media display. Rear view backup camera. A nice black wood trim. Hard keys for a media display. Heated seats, dual climate controls. Cup holders. This CLA has 24,309 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the CLA 250, check out feldmanimports.com.